Alright guys, I got bored so I thought I would make a quick video on making Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue meatloaf because I don't have any ketchup on me for some unknown reasons. Anyway, so Sweet Baby Ray's, Worcestershire sauce, micro breadcrumbs, thyme, minced onion, garlic powder, black pepper. And then I have a pound of burger patties because they were sitting in my fridge, and one egg. Alright, this is a better camera view. This is 1 pound of Angus beef patties, burger patties, 85% meat, other fat. What you need is 3/4 a cup of panko breadcrumbs. Honestly, I might just add a cup. This entire thing's almost out. Who cares? More bready. There, that's out. Add a teaspoon or tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'll put the recipe I loosely follow in. That's definitely definitely it. Tablespoon of pepper. One thing I didn't follow is I have this, but I was using some like fried onion flakes last time. It was pretty good. Alright, there's that. Some garlic powder. Some thyme. Honestly, it says add like a teaspoon of thyme. Do not do that. That is too much thyme somehow. My one singular egg, and of course I'm mixing with my hands, because why not? Alright, and then this comes back out about about half a cup of whatever barbecue sauce. I like Sweet Baby Ray's the most. You probably need some. You're supposed to use like 1/4 of a cup and then use the other 1/4 later, but me, who cares? And then mix it all up. Make sure your oven is preheating to 350 for this, and it'll be there for 40 minutes. Last time I did this, I had only 2/3 a pound of meat and way more Worcestershire and barbecue sauce by mistake, so it looks already pre-cooked. Alright. Honestly, I might. I'm thinking if I should add a little bit of water or something else. It's a little grainy, but the last one I made was a little too liquidy. We'll have to see. Meatloaf is decent meatloaf. This is still a pretty good loaf actually, so I might not do anything to it. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering why I'm doing this one hand, because this is in the corner of my oven with a small shelf. And my voice might be muffled because the phone is being held up by two seasonings. Honestly, that's staying together pretty well. Got a giant just meatball. So anyways, I wasn't expecting it to stay this well. I got this pan, I don't know, matter. I'm gonna flatten it out as best as I can. Because I don't want the thickest meatloaf, because then it doesn't cook fast enough. I'm a little impatient. Honestly, I think that's good enough. Alright, I'll wait for my oven to preheat. I'll throw it in the oven. Oh, it's unfocused. I can't really touch the camera now. So I'll wait for this to... I guess I'll throw this back in the fridge. Wait for oven to preheat. And then I'll show y'all. Also, this is really red in person. My camera does some weird stuff. It'll look a lot more yellow. That's about it. I'll be back. Alright guys, putting on 350 timer. It should be in here for 40 minutes, but I'll just do a nice 30. It's like a little scare sometimes. Make sure nothing's in your oven beforehand. And then just put it in. I'll be back in 30 minutes. Wow. It's 35 minutes. It looks like a turd on camera.
What?
It looks like a turd on camera. I'm not talking to you. It's still hot. Put the camera where it was. Get the sweet baby rays in. Alright, this one's basically out. I need a utensil to spread it. Your spine.
It's me.
I know. I heard it.
That looks so bad.
I know, this is much drier than the last one.
Put some of that on the sides.
That's what I'm doing. I'm slowly covering everything.
Just put more. Do you want
It is fine. You can add more later.
Okay, are you done with it? You done with the spoon?
Yes, I'm done. You can always add more sauce later.
You put it back in?
And then set another timer for, I'll say another 10, well 15 minutes. I'll go 15. It should be fully cooked. Lexi, come back here.
What?
I need that spoon.
I already licked it.
Where'd you put it?
Probably peanut butter on top of my plate.
Okay, I'm just gonna test the meat first and see if it's actually fully cooked.
What the hell is in the living room?
I don't know.
I don't have my glasses on.
Yeah, it needs just to be cooked a little bit longer. Otherwise, it's perfect. Anyway, I forgot. Video was, when I was recording a second ago, was not in landscape. Anyways, pop open the oven again. Have oven set for 15. And then I'll be back when that happens. It's been 10 minutes. Actually more like 12, but I'm impatient. So here we go. Oh, let this smell nice. Is it looking nicer? I'm supposed to let this sit for 10 minutes, but I'll probably let it sit for 5. Because I'm impatient. It is much more yellow on camera than in person for some reason, but meh. Alright, I cut the meatloaf. This is my sister's, this is mine. I could have probably cut it cleaner with a spatula, but I just used the spoon. And I had to... I waited only for 3 minutes before eating, so 5-minute timers put in. I took like 2 bites because I was trying to get the rest of it out. Would not recommend. Probably wait like 5-6 minutes. 10 minutes is always too long. I never trust those. That's about it. Goodbye.